Nice.
Pressure. Don't get lazy on that ride. Don't get lazy on that ride. Good. Swipe the wrist out. Watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it, watch it.
Good.
Force over. Hook the elbow and go. Hook the elbow.
Try the flare ride.
Oh, okay. You got it. Get off that wrist.
Good.
Oh, she didn't flip.
Keep going, Vita. Chain wrestle.
Let's go, Vito. Work on top.
Take it off your head. On your side. Take it over your head. Take it over your head. Take it over.
Open your head. Put your head up. Open your head. See behind your head.
That's the quarter, got Blair.
Use that. Hook it. 35 seconds. Use that. Make it straight. Make it straight.
Ready,
Go,
go.
Vita, go.
There it is.
Good. Settle.
Good job. 3, 4. Get back to your stomach.
Bigger for it, yes.
Uh-oh.
Short tongue, Gally. Good. Go.
Who's playing Among Us?
Hey, good work.
Right? At the end, there was 4 near fall.
Hey.
Yeah.
One go in there. Breathe, we're fine.
Okay.
Let's go, Vita.
Third
Got it
period.
up.
Green's choice, neutral.
That's a bad shot. Sorry. You all good? Need the water? Watch the desperate shot right here. Watch the desperate shot. Pour off of it. Get your head out. Head out.
Vita, build up from there. Good try. Build up from there now. Break something, Vita.
I mean, let's go, Vito. Big pressure. Good.
Get out to it, yes.
Keep going.
Forward pressure. Push your head down with your head. Push your head down with your head. Inside the out. Yes. Pull it in. Keep going. Keep going.
Cradle. Vita, use your knee against her head.